There have been several leaks about the Galaxy S25 series, even though the phones are expected to launch in January 2025. Recently, there were new rumors about the S25 Ultra's camera setup. Samsung has been steadily enhancing the secondary cameras in the Galaxy S Ultra line since they introduced a main 200-megapixel sensor. The Galaxy S24 Ultra now has a larger 50-megapixel periscope camera, while the standard telephoto and ultra-wide cameras haven't changed. Rumors are now suggesting possible upgrades for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Leaker Ice Universe says the new phone will keep a quad rear camera setup, not switch to a triple camera system as previously thought. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 200-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel 5x zoom camera. There will also be improvements to the ultra-wide and 3x zoom cameras, with both expected to be 50 megapixels. This would be a big upgrade from the current 10-megapixel 3x camera. These upgrades could improve low light and portrait photos, and the higher megapixel count might also enhance hybrid zoom. A high-resolution 3x camera with macro support could deliver detailed close-up shots. With a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, Samsung's Ultra phone would match other top camera phones that have high-resolution ultra-wide lenses. While some people might have hoped for more ambitious zoom upgrades, these changes could still significantly boost the Galaxy S25 Ultra's photography capabilities. Earlier this month, two leakers said that the S25 Ultra would get a 50-megapixel variable telephoto camera that can shoot at 4x or 7x. There isn't much other information available yet about the Galaxy S25 Ultra since its release is still a few months away. However, we do know that it will be powered exclusively by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This new chip is expected to bring better machine learning and improved battery optimization using AI. With these exciting developments, do you think the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be a better camera phone than the S24 Ultra? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll update you next time. Until then, take care.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you